Hello everyone, I will tell you in this video what best website you can have free hosting website, so you don't need to pay any money if you want to have a free website. From this website it's NEO sites, NEO sites, and these websites can give you 1 giga free space and you can create your websites by HTML. If you want to pay for websites, it will be like $5 every month. But if you want to have a free website, you can do from these websites, and it's so easy. Just in 1 second, you can be your free websites, and you can upload as you want here. Just you need here to sign up. You write your username, it will be name of your website, so you will choose here your name websites dot neosites.org. Then you write here topics like program or video games or food. After that you write here password and email and just create your website, and I will show you then how can you use it. So we will use these free websites. You will not pay any money. It's $0, and you will have 1 gigabyte storage and 200 gigabytes bandwidth. But if you want to pay money, you can pay like $5 every month, and you will have your websites. It will be like 50 gigabytes and 3000 giga bandwidth. And in this case, you can have like .com, not no sites.org. So just you have to click here for free and you start your free website. Okay, now we have websites, it's already, and you see here name of your website and how you can use it. Just you go here for profile, you click here and go to profile. It will open this dashboard and you just edit site from here. As you see here, can see here this index.html is your main badge of your website. So this main badge for you can do any exchange by click here in edit and you just copy paste your html website here and you can start to be have a free website. Also, if you want to create new badge in your website, you click here and write name.html and just create, and you will have here many of badges you want to create here. So it's very easy how you can use. Just you start to make your websites HTML and you go here edit and just here copy paste your HTML and you will have your website. It will be very easy. So I think this is one of best websites. If you like to working with HTML websites, you can use these websites and you can have a free website. So I hope I told you good information about how to create your new website free, and don't forget to subscribe channel and like the video, and see you goodbye.